we have different physical quantities. Why we are getting different physical quantities, Nana? Because if any particle, if any body, ant is moving along a thread which is tied between the two opposite walls of the room. At that time, it is changing its yes. What is that? It's changing its. It is changing its position.
There is.
Position. It is. Is it okay? It is changing its position. First of all, I want to define the position vector. To describe the properties of the what are the changes are occurring, the changes occurring in the while it is in the when the particle is in motion, then at that time definitely there will be some more changes will be occurred in the properties of the characteristics of the physical, not physical, simply the properties like that position, speed, velocity, acceleration. Some force is acting on that, some force acted by that on some other, and it gets some energy like that. It is getting some momentum like that. We are getting, Nana. So to explain those things, vectors are introduced. So position vector, Nana. Position vector gives the name itself has meaning. Position vector, it gives about the position of a particle. Some, I told you, mosquito is moving inside the room. Randomly it is moving inside the room. Then definitely always you must take three different axes: x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Along x-axis I cap, along y-axis j cap, along z-axis k cap. Right? Now this is the origin 0, 0, 0. Right? That mosquito, yes, it was started at here now. Mosquito is moving on x-axis up to certain distance, right? On x-axis, that's why it was traveled x meters distance, right, Nana? X meters distance. On y-axis, y meters distance. On z-axis, z meters distance. X-axis, x meters, nothing but on the x-axis it is traveling 2 meter, x meters distance, 2 meter. I'm giving an example. It is moving 2 meters up to here, and after that it is moving on this. How it is possible? No, not like that. It is moving at a time. It is moving at a time. It is moving in this direction, 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 in this direction. Three different directions at a time. Mosquito is moving along the three different directions at the same time. So at that time, while it is moving 1 meter on this, definitely some distance covered on this one, some distance covered on this one. How much it is depending upon the situation, right, Nana? So like that, it is moving on this one, in this one, nothing but on the board you are seeing, sir, it is moving up to sometime on this one, up to time on this one, up to sometime on this. Not like that, Nana. It is moving at a time. That's why it is moving like this, Nana. It is space. It is completely space. In that space, it is you have to fix one origin. I told you, Nana, frame of reference. Always frame of reference in our physics, definitely coordinate system. 3-dimensional coordinate system you must take, Nana. Right? So in that the mosquito is moving. So you have to be yes, somewhere it is yes, this is the origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. It is at here, Nana. It is at here. Now yes, this is origin. It is at here. Then you have to calculate. Suppose yes, like this only. I am placing my fingers. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. At here I am showing this is 2-dimensional explanation, Nana. Board is 2-dimensional, 2D. That's why you are not imagine. You are not getting clarity. But see here. At here it is. The point is not in the YZ plane. It is not in the YZ plane. It is in the XYZ plane. Nothing but it is in the space. Right? So it is making some distance on the x-axis. Nothing but you have to be draw the normal onto this. Right? I have to be draw the normal onto this. It is at here, normal onto this. Right? Like this. It is it on the normal. Now it is it on the x-axis, y-axis. It is on the z-axis. This distance is nothing but a x meter. This distance is nothing but a y meter. This distance is nothing but a z meter. So position vector is nothing but a, it tells about the, it gives about the position of a particle. It gives not only the magnitude, it also gives both magnitude and direction of the ant, mosquito. So r bar is the symbol, notation for position vector. R bar is equals to some x I cap, because along x axis, y j cap, and z meters along z direction. X I cap, y j cap, z k cap. X I cap, y j cap, z k cap. R bar is a position vector. R bar is a position vector. This position vector also you are getting, yes, generally x meter distance nothing but a, it is initial position vector is 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap for all the situations, because it was at here, initially it was at here. Yes, it is moving along this direction. X I cap plus in this direction nothing but a 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. So position vector is initial position vector, final position vector. Little bit confusion. Don't worry. It is some critical topic. If you learn these things successfully, definitely, clearly, then definitely you will get clarity about the vectors, total vectors, because it is only little bit difficult. See here, Nana, 0 I cap, 0 j cap, 0 k cap. X I cap, 0 j cap, nothing but a, it is moving on x axis, along x axis. At that time, this is 0. Like that. So, but for all the directions nothing but a, along x, along y, along z. Definitely the initial position vector for all those things is 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. Remember that. Position vector is nothing but a, simply I got this one from x minus 0 I cap plus y minus 0 j cap plus z minus 0 k cap actually. X minus 0 x, y minus 0 y, z minus 0 z. So finally, definitely you must remember this one. If they are saying position vector, if you see this word in any questions, position vector is nothing but a, r bar is equals to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. General notation. What is the, yes, where it is? It is at a, yes, I told you, it is at here. It is making some distance on this. It is making distance some on this. It is making distance on some on this. Finally, it is at where? It is at somewhere. So from the origin only you are calculating. That's why for that purpose, then you can write a magnitude of r bar is nothing but a under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Just now we have discussed about this one problem also we have discussed just now. Yes, magnitude. It is at where, suppose they can give r bar, one question, r bar is equals to 2 I cap minus j cap minus 5k cap meters, position vector. Nothing but a, the meaning of this one is, it is making 2 meters distance along x axis, 1 meter distance along
negative y axis.
Very good, negative y axis, 5 meters distance along
negative z axis.
That's it. I want that one only. Right, Nana? So like that only they have to be learned. Now after that, where it is, nothing but a, simply magnitude r bar is equals to under root of 2 square plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 5 whole square, Nana. Under root of 4 plus 1 plus 25, Nana. So 25 plus 5, 30, root of 30. Whatever it is, maybe you don't worry. Root of 30 meters. Root of 30 meters nothing but a, simply, yes, keep like that only. So it is at under root 30 meters from the origin. Under root 30 meters from the origin. Straight distance. nothing but a minimum distance, shortest possible path. Have you heard this word anywhere?
Yes.
Yes. What is that?
Displacement.
Displacement.
Very good. Very good.
Shortest path.
Shortest path. Yes, I'm calculating shortest path only, Nana. So minimum distance. So that's why by doing the vector, by using the vector, not doing, by using the vector, definitely by calculating the magnitude of the position vector, you are getting what, Nana? Not a distance. It is a displacement, right? So displacement of the mosquito I have calculated, Nana. That is how much? Root 30 meters displaced. It is in which direction? Definitely you know very well about that displacement. What is the difference between the distance and displacement? Distance is nothing but it can move in this random direction. But finally it is at where? It here. The shortest path or minimum possible path, the shortest path or minimum possible path between the minimum possible distance between the initial and final position of the mosquito. Mosquito was started here. It is randomly like this. It is moving, randomly moving at here finally. Now distance nothing but you have to be calculate the path length, actual path length. But here displacement I am calculating because I am calculating. Yes, I am drawing one line between from where to where, Nana? Initial position, origin to position of the
Final.
final position of the mosquito. That's why you are getting only the magnitude of the position vector is nothing but definitely what is that, Nana? Always it is what, Nana?
Straight line.
Straight line, nothing but it is what, Nana? Displacement.
Displacement.
Magnitude of the displacement. So just in the Sunday also you have written one exam, Nana. In that exam also I have given one question, displacement by distance, ratio between the distance and displacement greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 1, like that. Unity or less, unity or more, like that I have given, Nana. So that also, yes, from here also you can get the clarity. How? Distance always greater
than displacement.
or equal to also. Yes, greater than or equal to displacement. Greater than or equal to displacement. Not less than or equal to, Nana. Greater than or equal to displacement. So like that you are getting, Nana. Greater than or equal to displacement. Here also you are getting. Sometimes it may be equals to the distance also. Yes, sometimes it may be. Yes, suppose if it is a straight line, it is not moving randomly like this. It is a good mosquito. Yes, it is not a bad mosquito, it is a good mosquito. Then definitely it can move from origin to it is like this. Yes, sincerely it is moving along a line. Then at that time, what is happening now? Sincerely it is moving.
Distance equals to displacement.
That's it.
Distance
Distance is equals to displacement. That's it. I want that one. This is about the position vector, right? After this position vector, some more discussion is there, and some more definitions are there. I have also given one notes on mathematical tools. I have given to you mathematical tools, Nana. In that this chapter is there. So I sent a message to you also in the morning, today morning only. Yes, you can check it. You will get some more practice problems. I am giving only concept, one problem, concept, one problem. How to use the concept? Just that is giving. Some more problems are there. Please do those problems, and you will get some more doubts also. You can ask me. You don't worry, Nana. Right? Next, second thing is